Want to edit the text? Simple, right? Just click on the text. Iron Forge commercial repair. Let's put in their address and their contact number right up top. Make sure people can see what they're there for. Let's contact them, hit them up, sign up. There's going to be their website there. We're going to need the website URL. We'll grab that. Change that button. It's already set up. We're going to just paste it in there. For example, click apply. If you need to change a photo, come in here, change image. Let's see what we have available in our website already. Love that truck pick. We're going to add it. See if we can get it in there. Life is good. We're getting this out because it's not a challenge. It's a repair store. And if you want to delete a section as well, all on its own, you click that delete. And that is how you edit your Wix email 101.